I would highly suggest that not many people mention, which is to wear your cat out. Let them play. I would also suggest making sure they eat and drink, so they are not anxious. Also, let them use the bathroom and roam around. Don't be scared to let your cat go outside. It can be healthy and more reassuring.
Kitty?
Meow. They will enjoy it and so can you.
Cat's kick.
You'll know you have it done well when you find them curled up asleep. Now to brush. Start from top down and be gentle. If she needs a break, don't worry, give them a second. And continue. Great job, you have groomed a cat. Good girl.